Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals. If you guys are new to the channel, this is a series I try to release every single Friday. Basically, I just scour Amazon looking for the best tool deals possible, and I release a few of them every single week. All of these items we go over will be linked down in the description for you guys. There will also be 2 additional links that say tools and tools continued. Those are going to be very long lists of tools that I've either went over in the past for these Amazon deal videos or other tools that I suggest, so that's all there for you guys. But let's go ahead and get into this. So here we're looking at the 8-inch Knipex miniature bolt cutters. As far as these miniature bolt cutters, they come in 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch. And they normally range between $40 and $65 towards the top end. So anytime you can catch these on sale, it's a really good deal. There are a lot of knockoffs, cheaper versions of these. Knipex has a fantastic set of miniature bolt cutters. When I first started getting into the Knipex lineup, I didn't think the bolt cutters were really something I was going to use. I had diagonal side cutters, I had lineman pliers, and so I just figured I wouldn't get much use out of the miniature bolt cutters, and man, I was wrong. I ended up picking it up when I got a really good deal on them. I think it's this 8-inch pair. I think I ended up getting them for $30, $32, but this was over 6 years ago, and they've been fantastic. I actually use them way more often than I thought, and they can be a fantastic addition to your lineup. If you haven't tried out Knipex, they make some fantastic tools. A lot of great engineering and designing goes into these tools, and they just do a fantastic job. They're made in Germany. This one's at $38.31, down from a list price of $69.99. That's not, don't ever buy it at that. Even the large 10-inch pair won't even be at $70, usually closer to the 60 or mid 50s. So this has 4.6 stars at 269 ratings, and you can get them with a 20-degree angled head. Next one is a set that I've went over a few times in the past. It's just really nice whenever they are on sale, and they're pretty oftenly on sale. And if you're looking for a good quality screwdriver that a lot of people really enjoy, it is the Wera Craftform Plus screwdrivers. Not only are this is obviously subjective, but the handles are extremely comfortable. It's like you squish Play-Doh in your hand, like the perfect mold for your hand, so it's very ergonomic and comfortable in the hand. You can get a lot of torque on it. It's got the green portion is a rubberized, so you can really get a good grip on it. It's 6-sided, so it's got that anti-roll feature to it. Just all around really good quality screwdrivers. This has the laser tips, so if you look closely, they do basically laser etch the tips for the Phillips and some of the slotted, and this really actually allows you to get a good bite on the screws. Before I owned these, I didn't know if that really helped at all. It definitely helps. You can get a really good grip on a fastener with these. Now over time, the wear on the tip of the screwdriver will kind of weaken the strength of the bite that laser tip gives you, but it's still, even worn down over time, they still perform really well. They just get closer to a standard Phillips or slotted screwdriver. But this is a 6-piece set with 4 slotted and 2 Phillips. There you can see the sizes. I'll go down a little bit so you can get a little bit more information. This is at $27.29, down from a list price of $46.93. It's normally around the mid to low 30s. So even at $27 for this 6-piece set, absolutely fantastic. Really good quality, really good design. It does come with that wall organizer, and it has 4.8 stars at 1,353 ratings. They have many different designs here. You can see a stainless steel set. This one is $43, and just various different tip designs and different size sets, lengths, all that good stuff. You can get heavy duty ones with hex bases, and anything you could want in a screwdriver, Wera offers quite a bit. So these are made in the Czech Republic. Next up is a set of Gearwrench wrenches, combination wrenches. This is a 30-piece set. Back in the day, I bought a 22-piece set, I believe, that went up to, it was just a metric set that went up to 32. I got it for like $70, $75. Fantastic set. The one thing I always kind of try to warn people about with Gearwrench is anytime you're buying their ratcheting wrenches, always get your hands on them first, because there is a huge variation among all of Gearwrench's different ratcheting wrenches. Some China, some Taiwan, some complete trash, some really good for the price, and then some that are a little bit overpriced. They have a wide range of different qualities in their ratcheting wrenches, but when it comes to their standard combination, it's hard to mess that up. I've had good experiences with them. No, they're not top of the line tool truck quality, but they're also not your, $30 wrench set from Walmart. You get some good quality, you get good length with these. They are the long pattern. This is metric and SAE. So for the SAE, you're getting 1/4 inch through 1 inch. And then for the metric, you're getting 8 through 22. And that is no skips also. So it is a nice complete set. The orange is going to be the metric and the black is going to be the SAE. For the open end design, you do have a slight anti-slip feature. You have one little tooth there at the bottom towards the front, and then a slight tooth up here at the top, just allowing you to get a little bit better bite on that fastener or prevent you from rounding that fastener. These have 4.5 stars at 109 ratings and is at $121.59 right now, down from a typical price of $167. So here you can see a little bit different. When you see list price, it's very rare for an item to actually ever sell or be seen at its list price. But when you see typical price and you see a good discount off of a typical price, that's when you know you're usually getting a pretty dang good deal. So I think this is a good deal for the size set that you're getting and the quality that you're getting. Last item up on this week's Amazon tool deals is the Lisle trim tool pliers. So these have a 45-degree bend, and if you've ever dealt with any of the Christmas trees or clover clips or any clips, whether you're removing hood liners or underbody panels or interior panels, any of them, some of those clips can be a real pain in the neck. And I've tried multiple different types of clip pliers, and these are by far the best. Now, I ordered mine off of a PDR site, but I believe these are the identical set, and they're $20 just like what I paid for them. There you can see the part number. Once again, all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys. These have been fantastic. With that 45-degree bend, you can really get under even the tight ones. You can kind of wedge it because they're kind of filed down towards the tip that really allow you to sneak in behind that clip. And just the leverage and the bite that you can get with these, it's much better than like what you see at Harbor Freight or the Gearwrench set. They're identical sets. The pop pliers or the little trim tool pliers, I don't know how to explain it. I've went over them before. They work if you're like a weekend warrior DIYer that deals with clips once a year or once every couple years. Yeah, those will get you by just fine. But if you ever deal with a decent amount of clips, this is the style that you should really consider. I haven't found another set that even compares to this. This tool alone has saved me so much time in doing the work that I do. It's well worth the money, and this is at $19.90, no discount, but once again, I think they're some of the best trim clip pliers out there. This has 4.7 stars at 172 ratings. Not a whole lot of information on them. You can get them with a 90-degree bend. There you can see them for the same price. There are other makers out there that sell them for a little bit cheaper. Lisle is obviously a brand that I know, and these ones look just like the ones I own, so I wanted to share those, but keep in mind there are other ones available. And then earlier I was talking about these styles here. These have actually I've found to be dangerous. I've stabbed myself in the hand trying to catch a clip that's real stubborn and trying to pop it out. And sometimes it launches the clip and I can't find it. So while they do work for certain style clips, it's definitely not the greatest style of plier for clip removal. But once again, I've had really good experiences with these. So that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. If there are any brands or certain types of tools that you would like to see in future videos, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Also, keep in mind those 2 additional links will be down there as well. That will take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.